Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to install the adjuster kit in the KitchenAid dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a small flat blade screwdriver and a Torx 15 screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new adjuster kit. The adjuster kit allows one to change the height of the upper dish rack with a simple press of the lever. The main reason for the replacement of the adjuster kit is if it jams, making the rack adjustment impossible. Let's open the door. Just pull it open. I'm going to open the dish rack steps and pull out the upper dish rack. All right, let's place the dish rack on the table. Any workable surface. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver, small enough so it would fit into the cutout. I'm going to push up the locking tab on the positioner and slide it out. Then we can remove it. And then the opposite side, we're going to repeat the procedure. I'm going to push up on that tab, and I'm going to take it out. So now we're going to use the same flat blade screwdriver, small one, and we're going to push down that tab here. And I'm going to slide out the arm. So using the Torx 15 screwdriver, we're going to take out this couple of screws here. And we can pull out this cover. And now we can slide the housing off the arm. And that will allow us to take the arm out. This is the old adjuster next to the new one. If you don't have these parts, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to start with putting the lever into the adjuster housing. We have two release levers, and we're going to use only one on one side, and the other one we're going to use on the opposite side. So in our case, we need only this one, so we're going to keep this one for the opposite side. Remember, we are assembling the left side first. So we're going to put the release lever here into those two cutouts. They're symmetrical. Push it down. And now we're going to bring it in and put it on the rack. Bring in the arm, install it here, and then we're going to bring in the housing, and we're going to slide the arm into the housing till it clicks in. Then we're going to put this 4 cutouts around the wires. It will only fit one way. So hold on to the housing. Then we're going to install the cover. This tab goes into the cutout here. And push it down. It should lock in. And then we're going to secure it with a couple of Torx 15 screws. That also supplied with the kit. So we're going to install a couple of positioners, twist them a little bit and place them on the wires, and then we're going to just slide on and lock the stabs. Same thing on the opposite side. Place it on, turn and slide on. push it up a little bit from the bottom, and it clicks. All right, let's put it down and check our work. So this is the lever, so we're gonna push it down. And as you can see, the arm goes in. That would change the height of the dish rack. Push it down and it's released. And it's locked in a position. All right, we can do the same thing exactly on the opposite side. We're going to replace the second half. All right, so let's install the upper dish rack. Put the rollers into the rails. Pull out the rails. And we're going to close the ends. And we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.